What's up guys, this is Shan and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of Xiaomi 11T Pro smartphone that comes with 5000 mAh battery and 120 watt fast charging. Xiaomi claims that 72% of the battery can be charged in just 10 minutes and it can go from 0% to 100% in just 17 minutes. So in this testing we are going to find out how true is this claim. For this testing purpose we will use this official Xiaomi's 120 watt charger and this USB cable that comes in the retail box and this another phone for the timer purpose. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So right now the battery of this 11T Pro is totally zero. The phone is dead. As you can see, it's not even switching on. So after 1 minute, the device is still not switching on. As you can see, the phone's battery is totally drained and the phone is dead. Now it's turning on. Still not. So it's at 4% after 3 minutes 35 seconds. And it is showing it will take 29 minutes to charge it fully, so that's a bit low compared to what we were assuming, but let's see how much time it's going to take. So it's 10 minutes now and the battery percentage is at 43 here. So it is showing it will take 19 minutes more. Let's see how much time it's going to take exactly. So it's 17 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery and it's at 76%, showing it will take 7 minutes more. So it's not at 100% as Xiaomi is claiming, but still it's blazing fast for sure. It's 20 minutes now and the battery percentage is at 84. 5 minutes more. So it's 24 minutes now and the battery percentage is at 94. 2 minutes more remaining. So let's wait a bit and let's see how much time it's going to take. 1 minute more. And it's at 99% right now. So now it's 100% charge. It took 30 minutes, 30 seconds we can say, in charging the battery from 0% to 100%. But one thing we have to notice that the battery was totally dead, totally depleted. And that's why for the first 3 minutes it was not charging at all. So considering that if you remove 3 minutes from this testing, so it took 27 minutes in charging the battery from 0% to 100%. It's not as according to the claim of Xiaomi, but it's very fast. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.